What's going on, guys? It is Bernardo, and today is all about an issue that I received when I was trying to RDP into one of my servers. I received this CredSSP encryption issue, so I'm going to show you guys how I fixed it. All right, so the issue that I received when I was trying to RDP into one of my servers, and keep in mind, this server is actually Windows Server 2016. This is very common if you're not patching your servers. So I received this. Uh, this is the problem that I received. Super simple. You go to this link, find out all the information. There's actually an update that you need to push to fix this. So I'm going to show you guys how to fix it. So this is a server that I was trying to RDP into. Again, it is Windows Server 2016. It is my database server. So what I did was I actually already downloaded the KB file and I dropped it into the downloads folder. It is KB4103723. This is the one that we need. I'm going to right click on it. I am going to select open. It's going to start preparing the installation. Once you get this, all you need to do is click on yes. It's going to start copying packages to the Windows Update cache. Eventually, you're going to get this. It's going to start installing. Now, this process took about, I would say, 45 minutes. And once it's completed, you're going to get this. You need to restart the machine. So just click on restart. It's going to start restarting. And then it's going to start getting Windows ready. Eventually, it's going to give you this, working on Windows updates. That's why I said it takes about 45 minutes. Eventually, boom. Now, yes, it's here. I'm able to use this to get into my server, but I want to RDP into it. So I head back into this. I right clicked on my server. I clicked on connect and then bam, I was able to RDP with no issue. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this video and I catch you guys on the next one. Peace out.